Hi guys, my name is Shida. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to do this beautiful beadwork you see in front of your screen right now. Please ensure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, send in your comments and share. So we are using size 2 seed beads, different colors, two different colors. You can use any color of your choice. Today I'm using lemon green and silver. I'm using sequins. It's like a star or a leaf like. Then I'm using size 4 black crystals. Well, you can use any sequence of your choice. Then knot your thread properly, take it behind your fabric and bring it on the face of the fabric. Then the face of the sequence is shinier than the back. What you do is put your needle through the back of the sequence to the front. Then you pick your size 4 crystal on top of the sequence, lay it flat on your fabric, then put your needle into the hole of the sequence. All right, ensure it sits properly, not too tight and not too loose. Then give it some space. Bring out your needle again. Bring out your needle like so. Then pick another sequence, put your needle through the back of the sequence to the face. Then pick your size 4 crystal again, sit the bead. Ensure you sit the bead comfortably on your fabric, right? Make sure it sits properly. Then put your needle into the hole of the sequence. The crystal here is serving as a stopper, so it doesn't come off loose. All right, the crystal is serving as a stopper. You can use size 2 of pearls. You can use even size you can use size 4 of pearl, even size 6 if you want. You can use sand bead as your stopper depending on the look you desire. Okay, then you're going to be repeating this process over and over again. This is all about this sequence beading. Okay, then when we are done with this, we'll head straight to the next phase of the beading. I'm going to just finish up this line. So fast forward, I'm almost done with the line here. I'm almost done with the line, so I'm just going to make it faster a bit. Keep repeating the process I have already shown you and you'll get it perfectly. So guys, as you can see here, I'm done beading the sequence. What I'm going to start now is to pick the sand beads. I'm going to bead around the sequence. So you bring out your needle close to the edge of the side of the sequence you want your seed beads. So I'm picking 3 lemon green and 1 silver seed beads. So I'm going to be beading it. I picked 3 lemon green and 2 silver seed beads. So we are going to be beading around and round your sequence on every side till it gives that beautiful creative look that you desire. All right, please do not let what I'm doing confuse you in any way. I know I'm not dragging down the beads to sit on the fabric, but I can tell you that I know every space that each line of bead I pick can sit properly on. But for you, if you're a beginner, ensure you drag down your sand bead to sit on the fabric so that you can know the space it will need to relax properly on the fabric. All right, so don't get confused. Ensure that the strands of seed beads you are using sits exactly where you want it, so that it will end up looking so perfect and it will seem as though they all came together. It won't even look like the regular beading that you're familiar with. It will look so unique and outstanding on your fabric. Okay, lest I forget, if you want to reach out to me, about embellishments and beading in case you have a job for me or you need to make some inquiries about beading. That's my number on the upper part of this video. You can copy it out and chat me up on WhatsApp. If you're not in Nigeria, if you're in Nigeria, you can give me a call. It's my MTN line. So I'm almost done with this tutorial. This is the last part. As you can see, it's beautiful. It came out so well. You can do this on any part of your fabric, on the neck, sleeve, just anywhere you want to beautify. All right, thank you so much for watching to this part. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, please ensure you subscribe, like this video, send in your comments, share for others to see as well. So until next time, love you guys. Bye.